Welcome to Wheel Check Review. Welcome to the future of luxury travel, the all-new 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. A masterpiece of engineering, design, and comfort, built for those who believe the journey should be just as extraordinary as the destination. At first glance, the T3000 makes a bold statement. With its aerodynamic body, signature Kenworth grille, and cutting-edge LED lighting, this motorhome is not just transportation, it's a symbol of strength and prestige on the open road. The sleek lines reduce drag and increase fuel efficiency, giving you more miles with greater performance. Step inside, and you'll be transported into a world of luxury. The spacious interior has been designed like a five-star suite on wheels. Premium leather seating, handcrafted cabinetry, and panoramic windows create an atmosphere of comfort and elegance. Whether you're traveling across states or parked at your favorite retreat, every moment inside feels like home. The T3000 offers next-level technology. A fully digital cockpit gives the driver complete control with real-time navigation, smart diagnostics, and advanced safety systems. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and collision prevention technology ensure every trip is smooth and secure. In the living area, innovation meets comfort. A smart home system allows you to control lighting, climate, and entertainment with a single touch, or even your voice. A full gourmet kitchen, complete with stainless steel appliances, ensures you can enjoy your favorite meals anywhere. And when it's time to rest, the master bedroom offers a king-size bed, luxury linens, and a tranquil space to recharge. Entertainment is never left behind. A 65-inch smart TV with surround sound, satellite connectivity, and integrated Wi-Fi keeps you connected and entertained, even in the most remote locations. And of course, performance matters. Powered by a new generation eco-efficient engine, the 2026 Kenworth T3000 combines raw power with responsible fuel consumption. With an extended range fuel system and solar-charged auxiliary batteries, you'll experience freedom without compromise. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement of innovation, luxury, and limitless adventure. Whether you're exploring mountains, crossing deserts, or relaxing by the coast, the Kenworth T3000 ensures every mile is an unforgettable experience. Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.